All right, Nate Dogg's back on the bike, guys. He's got his full race suit on, and we're gonna practice today just to get him acclimated to get back on the bike and try to get his muscle memory down for like standing up on the bike, arm pump and stuff like that, just on some back trails. And then maybe we're going to go to the track and try to start practicing, maybe at Scrub and Dirt or at Ekekone. Because Ekekone's open, I think, the end of September for a whole weekend of practice, so we could practice going there. And they have races, they're having a race there, so you can enter that. And then, or we can go to Scrub and Dirt and practice there, but Scrub and Dirt's like an hour and a half away from our house. Or no, an hour and 45 minutes. It is hot. It's gonna be like I would say 99 degrees today. I think it was 99 yesterday. All right, guys, we got the drone. Look at Nathan's
where's the drone?
Old gear. It's in the house. I'm gonna go get it right now. Drew's getting her boots on. She's gonna be helping me. Let's do it, guys. Dirt bike video. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, here's our training course. So today we'll do, I would say 3 laps. We'll start off, you'll go from here all the way down to the turnaround down there, come back through, and then come back to here, and then that's 1 lap, and then I'm gonna time it. All right, we're gonna get some practice in with the drone. We gotta go get the GoPro though, I forgot, because the drone doesn't have sound, so we need the GoPro to have sound for the dirt bike. Later, we're going to film some dirt bike riding. Woohoo! There's Layla on the Hyper Go-Go 12-inch. There it is, guys. Woohoo! Links in the description. All right, there's Nate Dogg. Let's go. Let's do it, guys.
Go get some gloves. I'll meet you down there.
Oh, okay, cool. Bye. There's Layla on the Hyper Go-Go. Bye, guys. We got the drone. We're trying to like build him up so we can race at the end of the summer, guys. Let's do it. Woo! There he is, making his way our way so we can start the laps. Get the time of his first and second lap. We were gonna do 3, but it's like literally 102 degrees outside. The drone was kind of complicated. There's Nate Dogg. It's still like 100 degrees today, guys. It was like 102 degrees earlier. There he is. Woo! He made it. Hey, Drew made it, guys. Drew, come on. Here comes Drew, number 27, on the Husqvarna EE5, guys. There she is, hanging out. Hey, Drew.
I made
all right.
a lot of dirt smoke, didn't I?
Yeah, look at all the smoke Nathan made. Ah, smoke, dirt. All right, you ready to go? Let's get the drone in the air and do this thing. All right, guys, guess what happened? Almost finished with 3/4, actually finished with 3/4 of a lap, and I wrecked the freaking drone, guys. Oh my God, I wrecked it. Sorry, I had to literally hike like all the way down and up and down and up.
Like a half a mile, maybe?
Yeah, like a half a mile to go find the drone.
Which wasn't very smart considering that Nathan had a dirt bike you could have rode on the back of.
Anyways, so Nathan gave Addison a ride on the back of the dirt bike and raked him through some freaking brush. But
It's not that bad.
okay, I literally wrecked the drone into like branches on the right side of the power line right there. Luckily, I was literally about to turn around and I looked down and there was a drone like literally in the woods. I saw it. I'm like, oh my God.
He was literally about to turn
Those
around.
Hummers go off road.
Yeah.
He was literally about to turn around and then a chigger bit him on the leg and told him, no, you have to keep looking.
You have to keep looking. I looked up and there was a drone. All right, here we go. We're gonna get him the last lap from here to Box Ankle. Please don't let me wreck this time. All right, Nathan, 1/2 a lap and you'll be done. Just pass Addy back here.
Lap? What are you talking about?
Yeah, just like from there, from all the way over there to the road and come back right here.
Ankle and back.
And then
back
blow
right
dust
here.
in y'all's face.
Yes.
Yeah, that's gonna be exciting. All right, guys, there you have it. He made it 1 lap back. Woo! We lost the drone one time. I had to go find it. It took like an hour to find the drone, but we got him completing at least one of the big laps from all the way to our house to the big road out there and back through some treacherous terrain. It was like 102 degrees today, guys. Very hot in Georgia. Thanks so much for watching our video. I wanted to get 2 laps, but we only got 1. There's Nate Dogg. Just went for you guys out here in the Georgia summer, getting ready to race possibly his dirt bikes. We're going to the track. We're gonna try to get him good, guys. Once again, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. You guys are the best, better than the rest. All right, guys, we're just heading home after a hard day of Nathan riding the dirt bike. Let's see what he's got. Thanks for watching. You are the best, better than the rest. Bye.